Find the volume of a sphere whose diameter is 42 centimeters. Use 22/7 for pi. Well, the formula for the volume of a sphere is given in terms of the radius of the sphere. So the first thing we need to do is find the radius from the diameter. And we know that the radius is equal to half the diameter, or the diameter divided by 2. The diameter is 42 centimeters. When we divide this by 2, we get 21 centimeters. So now we have what we need to use the formula for the volume of a sphere. The volume is equal to 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. I'm going to write approximately equal to now because I'm going to substitute 22/7 for pi, and that's just an approximation for pi. So we'd have 4/3 times 22/7, and I'm also substituting 21 centimeters for the radius. So I'd have 21 centimeters cubed. And when we do this calculation, we get the number 38,808, and that is cubic centimeters. So we'll look at the 4 choices that were given for the answer, and we see that D is the correct choice.